If you're traveling in 2026 and you're still planning to rely on expensive roaming charges or trying to hunt down a local SIM card after landing, there is a much easier way. You can now buy an eSIM before your trip, install it in just a few minutes, and land with mobile data already working the moment your plane touches down. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to buy and install an eSIM using Saily, step by step. No complicated tech setup, no confusing settings, just a simple walkthrough that everyone can follow. By the end of this video, you will know how to choose the right plan, apply a discount, install your eSIM, and get connected in less than 10 minutes. And before we jump in, if you want to follow along while watching, you will find the Saily link in both the description and the pinned comment. Make sure you use the discount code DGPROF15 during checkout because that will give you 50% off your plan. Again, that's DGPROF15. I always recommend apply the code before completing your purchase because the savings can add up, especially on longer trips or larger data packages. So let's get started. The first step is downloading Saily and creating your account. You can either click the link in the description or simply search for Saily in the App Store or Google Play. Once you install the app, open it and tap sign up. So I'm gonna go ahead to Saily here or search for Saily on App Store or Google Play. Download it and go ahead to the Saily app, right? Now, you can continue using Google or Apple, which is usually the fastest option. Okay, I'm gonna use my Google account to sign up. And once I'm in, I'm gonna just go ahead and apply the eSIM plan, right? Now it's time to select your destination. Inside the app, you will see a search bar at the top, right? Go ahead and explore the data plans, right? Type in the country you're traveling to, for example, Japan, Turkey, whatever. And as soon as you select the country, Saily will show you all the available plans for that destination. You will notice different amounts data, right? Such as 1 gigabyte, 3 gigabytes, 5 gigabytes or 10 gigabytes, along with different validity periods such as 7 days, 14 days, or 30 days. The plan you choose really depends on your travel style. If you're mostly using maps, messaging apps, checking emails, and browsing the web, 5G plan for 1 week trip is usually more than enough. But here's a tip. If you're unsure which plan to choose, go one step higher. Running out of data while traveling abroad is frustrating and annoying, actually. And topping up at the last minute is often more expensive. Once you've found the plan you want, tap it and select Buy Now, right? You'll be then taken to the checkout screen. Before you pay, look for the promo code field here, right? And enter DGPROF15. Make sure it's spelled exactly like this. Let me show you. DGPROF15. And then apply the code. Alright? You will immediately see that 50% discount reflected in your total. After that, you simply enter your payment information and confirm your purchase. You could use Apple Pay in my case, credit or debit card, or PayPal, making checkout quick and straightforward. You'll also receive a confirmation email almost instantly after completing the purchase. And just as quick reminder, both the Saily link and the discount code DGPROF are available in the description and pinned comment below. So don't forget to use them before checking out. Now that you've purchased your plan, it's time to install the eSIM, right? Inside the Saily app, go to My eSIMs or Credit, right? You'll see a newly purchased plan listed here, right? Tap on it and you will be presented with two installation methods. The first option is direct installation. This is the method I personally recommend because it's by far the easiest. Simply tap direct installation, right? Follow the prompts on your screen and the app handles almost everything automatically, right? If you choose this method, go to your phone's settings, open cellular or mobile data, right, instead of Wi-Fi, and tap Add eSIM. So I'm gonna go add to the settings actually and do it manually here, right? Scroll a little bit down to find Add eSIM. Scan the QR code provided by Saily. Both methods work perfectly fine, but direct installation is usually faster and more beginner friendly. One important tip: install your eSIM before you travel. Don't wait until you land at the airport. Airport Wi-Fi can be unreliable, and you will need an internet connection to complete that installation process. Once the installation is complete, you will see the Saily eSIM appear alongside your regular SIM card in your phone's cellular settings. Now you'll need to configure it. Open your cellular or mobile data settings. So go out to the settings here, stay on the cellular, go to the basically, yeah, Saily eSIM as your preferred data line for your trip, right? Then make sure data roaming is enabled for the Saily line, right? At the same time, I strongly recommend turning off data roaming on your primary SIM card to avoid unexpected roaming charges from your home carrier, right? So you will see more than, of course, more than one SIM, right? Go ahead and add the other SIM, right? And from there, you can go ahead to the cellular data options and turn off the data roaming. Your regular SIM can still active for, can stay active for text calls if you want, while Saily handles all your mobile data. And that's it. You're connected. Before we finish, here's a bonus tip that many travelers don't realize. Inside the Saily app, you can monitor your data usage in real time. So if you're running low on data during your trip, you can simply top up or extend your plan directly from the app. There's no need to visit local SIM stores, search for Wi-Fi, or buy another SIM card. Everything is handled in one place. Saily currently supports more than 150 countries, which means you can use the same app for almost every trip you take. And depending on the destination, some plans remain available for activation for several months after purchase, giving you extra flexibility and cushion when planning ahead. So that's exactly how to buy and install an eSIM using Saily in 2026. From downloading the app to getting connected, the entire process usually takes less than 10 minutes. My advice is simple. Add your eSIM setup to your travel checklist and get everything installed at least a few days before departure. Future you will thank you when you land and have instant internet connection, right? If you want to try Saily for your next trip, you will find the link in the description and the pinned comment below. And don't forget to use the code DGPROF15 to save 50% on your purchase. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe because I regularly post travel tech tutorials, software guides, and tools that make traveling easier. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.